What's up, guys? We're back. We got these seals from Warranty Killer Performance. I have a bunch of cool stuff for Can-Ams, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing jacked up and get started. I've never done this before, but a little bit of common sense, it can't be that hard. I'll let y'all know how it's done. Alright, we're just gonna take this tire off first. You're gonna use a 17mm. Did not want to come off for nothing. Okay. And you just take a pair of dikes, straighten this out. And on this, closest thing I could find was a 1/16. It fits it good. Take this off. And you can take your hub off. Now, I think we're just going to disconnect the shock. It's got a bolt right here. And we'll have to take this off too, because we're going to drop the trailing arm down to get the axle to fall out of here. And to remove the shock, I'm just going to use a 15mm wrench and an adjustable wrench. And then it should just pop right out. Just kind of push it out of your way. And then you want to take your sway bar. I'm guessing this is sway bar link or something. And it is the same size. So to remove the axle, you have to take the trailing arm bolt out, and I don't have the right size bolt, so we're about to go make a trip to the near Harbor Freight that just opened. I go get some sockets. Might pick up some more stuff too. Alright, we are back from Harbor Freight, and we got the sockets. I got some oil for the diff, and got me a sweet little chair, some other odd and end things. We're gonna get back to this. Alright, now that we got the right size socket, we're gonna take this trailing arm bolt out. It goes all the way across, that's why I'm on the other side. This little brake line gets in the way, so I'm going to take this off. It uses a T30. Oh. Just pull that down out of the way to where you can get to your bolt. Alright guys, once you break this bolt, you're going to want to get somebody on the other side to help you push it while you're unscrewing it. So go ahead and push. You just unscrew it and it'll slowly come out. You don't have to take it out all the way. And then you can go over here and drop your trailing arm. Alright guys, I went ahead and pulled the whole bolt out. Now, this trailing arm should just pull out. And just set that out the way. I went ahead and pulled the whole thing because I'm going to go ahead and do both sides. I'm not going to show the other side. The only extra step on the other side is you have to take off the brake caliper, and you can do that. That's not really hard at all. I noticed this fell out when I took out the trailing arm. Make sure you put that back in there before you put it back in. And now we'll pull the axle out. Alright, so you just take your axle, and it should just come out. Sometimes it don't. Alright guys, we're back. Turns out, the company that I bought the seals from sent the wrong size. So we ended up going to Brookhaven Power Sports. They had them. Picked me up with some, and now I'm back. So now, for the second inconvenience, now I'm gonna get them in and get this thing back together. When you go to put back the new seal in, just make sure it's clean up in there. Which I've already cleaned it out. And then you'll pop, it'll be the flat side out. And it doesn't just push in there. So you have to give it a light tap. Be sure, if you're using a metal hammer, not to hit any of the metal, just hit the seal. Don't beat it to death, just get it in there good. And then that's it. We'll slip the axle back in and put in the trailing arm and bolt the shocks back up, and we'll be done with this side. you're putting it together, be sure you clean around your axle, even though it's going to get dirty again, but that might just help it not wear out so much. Well, that's it, guys. All I gotta do is put the tires back on and fill up the diff. If you have any questions, just comment in the comments and ask, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Thanks, guys.